set the stage, right? This is what we've all been doing. We've all been following this methodology where we have an ERP, we have these APIs, and we have a middleware maybe, and we have different types of applications that we have to roll out across the enterprise. These could be mobile apps, these could be third-party SaaS applications that we have to configure and then integrate back into the ERP. And in doing so, what happens is there's a lot of custom logic that gets spread across the whole enterprise architecture, and there's a lot of technical debt that accumulates as a result. The business logic starts getting siloed, as you can see here. The data silos start appearing, right? So it's hard to understand what's your system of record, what's your system of truth, what's your mothership, right? That sort of starts getting fragmented as well. Obviously, it has required cumbersome development. If you think just here, like you need mobile developers, web service expertise, ERP expertise, functional expertise. Right? So there's a lot of expertise that are required, a lot of skill sets required. And then you have to support multiple devices for which you have to keep yourselves up to speed on all of those things. And there's obviously an ongoing maintenance. You compare that to the Swift approach, which is of no-code enterprise automation, is where we leverage what you have. You keep your ERP as clean as possible. And then we leverage the REST engine. And for other ERPs, we have created our own frameworks that allow you to inherit all the metadata. And you can create all the differentiated experiences that you can own, but not customize the ERP that much. And if the customization that you already have inside of your ERP, leverage all of them as is and not duplicate them here and on this layer, which basically means there's minimum to no technical debt, and you inherit the ERP business logic and security. The data becomes real time. The system of record is well defined, be it the ERP or other cloud applications or in-house applications. And it becomes like a true no-code, right? Because low-code, no-code has been around for ages. The problem has always been that there's always tons of code behind what you build. And then using the functional knowledge, like I said, becomes a game changer because that bridges the agility and the flexibility the business needs all the time with the people who are building the applications. And it's device agnostic and it requires minimum maintenance.